Here's a repair on a simple problem around the house that a lot of homeowners might face. Here we have a exterior seal caulk that keeps dripping when we shut it off. What we're going to do is, if you look on the top, you can see a 3/4 inch nut, which is right here. I went ahead and already loosened it up so we can take it out. However, when you do go ahead and take this out, make sure that the faucet, you don't shut it completely off. You leave it about 1/4 of the way open. You go shut your main water off and you let the water bleed out. Now for the video, I went ahead and already loosened it up just so I can take it off. Now when you take this out, the first thing you want to do is check the gaskets. Now you can see that this gasket is ripped off from here down. I'll show you what the new one is supposed to look like. And then normally there's a little gasket right here along the edge. That one's in good condition. I went ahead and I replaced this gasket here, put it back in, and it was still leaking. So in this case, what we need to do is we need to buy a whole new packing. You just take this whole piece into one of your plumbing stores. Home Depot and Lowe's, they do not carry this. So you're going to need to go find a specialty plumbing store. And here's our new one right here. They can be purchased for around $30. They come in 8, 10, 12, and 14 inch. Now if you notice the gasket on this and the bad gasket on that, there's a big difference. So that is what was preventing keeping our spigot leaking, and then the gasket is good here. Now the same thing goes, you want to make sure when you go ahead and install these that your water is completely off. You want to put your handle back on the new one, open it up about 1/4, just like how it was when you took it off. Go ahead and put it all in, which I'm going to do here in a minute. You're going to want to push that in, and you could hear it. It makes that suction, so it's holding that air, and it's going to be a little bit harder to push in. Once you put that on, go ahead and take your nut off for your handle. Put the new handle on. On this one, this was covered with some mortar and stucco, so for a couple bucks I just went ahead and bought a new handle since I'm replacing the whole packing. But that's pretty much it. You put this back in, you put the handle back on, you go turn your main water on, and you're going to be good to go. If you're not experienced in plumbing, as far as this repair, I would hire somebody to do it, as far as not creating a bigger problem for yourself. But anyway, that's a quick little how-to video. Thanks for checking us out at handymansolutions yakima.com.